Hey there, in this video we'll implement Razorpay using Node.js. So let's see, I've created a Razorpay directory and I will create a npm. So just let me create a project, npm init y for default settings. Yeah, now let me open the code editor. Yeah, we have the code editor. Now in this video we'll just create a order. So this is slash orders. Using this we'll create a payment, just single payment, like purchasing something or creating a payment. And to do so you need a Razorpay account. So just create a Razorpay account and you'll just enable this test mode. After that, go to settings, then these API keys and generate a test API key. So create your own API key and just that's it. So I'll leave it here. And okay, so to do so we need to install few packages. npm I first is Express, then Razorpay. Okay, as of now it will work. Okay, now we have Express and Razorpay. Let me create index.js. We won't be using Nodebound, just a simple project. So node index.js, this is our start script. Cool. Now so yeah, our app is running on server 3000. Okay, this will work. Now let's create a route for the payment. Slash payment this is going to be a sync. And one more thing, use express.json for body parser. Okay, let's see the doc how it's going to be. For creating an order, this is it. We are using Node.js. We'll just copy and paste. Copy this. And paste it here. First thing, let's import the Razorpay. Require Razorpay. That's it. Now we'll get amount. It will come from requested body. Now this amount will go here. Just keep one thing in mind, that this 500 is the lowest of your currency. In our case it's paisa, so we need to multiply it 100 400. So the amount is like, if it's 500 rupees, then we multiply it into 100, so it will do the math. Okay, then this thing is currency, we don't need notes, we'll keep the receipt for default. Now this thing is key ID, and the secret we just got from here, we need to paste this. I will delete this key, so make sure you use your own. Now I need the data, so let's order equal to, that's it. So I'll get the order, and after that I'll just status of 201. We created a payment, so that's why 201, and let's send status, sorry, success true, order, so we don't need to with an order. And one more thing, we'll send the amount back. So this is done, this is the backend side, and I think it's done. This is the thing we need to do in our backend side. Now let's move to front end side and see how it's going to be. Okay, so I'm not creating any React tab. Let's do this inside here. I'll create a public folder. Index.html. Razorpay demo. Okay, so I'll sit here, let me type something so you can see it's working. Hello payment page. Okay, now integration. So this is the thing we need. Build integration. Yeah, so this is the client side. So we did this part, and of course NodeJs. Then this is the client side, we need to create the client side now. So I'm using this handler function, manual checkout. We also have this callback thing, I'm using this one. Then oh, something is wrong. So here we need to place the key ID first. So let's do that first. Okay, now we don't need this or this. Okay, this prefill and nodes. And we are also not handling the error part, payment field part, so we can get rid of this as well. And okay, so we need this. So on click, shift these things inside this. So we pass the key, amount. So as I said earlier, it's the subunit, so default designer refers to paise. Okay, now before this we just need to call to our function. So let order equal to, wait, we'll use the fetch method, fetch slash payment. So because we are in this NodeJs project and I have created this folder inside this, I just need to pass the route payment. I don't need to write the full backend URL. That's it. Now options, this is the post method. Okay, thanks to GitHub Copilot, we don't need this. That's it. Stringify, we are just providing amount, how much amount we need. So we'll pass the, so here we don't need to, as we are just multiplying it there, so we'll use the 500 and so we don't need to pass it here as we are just directly multiplying it in the backend. So this is 500. Okay, now order data, yeah, actually this is, let's name it as response, my mistake. So it will go like this, response.json. Now we have the order data, okay, good enough. Okay, I think this is done. Okay, let's try, is it working or not. Let me restart my server, as we are not using JSON. Okay, what happened? Okay, there is two response, we need request, my bad. Okay, server is running. Now let's test this. We have this pay button, we'll click on this, nothing is happening. Let me see, I think there might be something in front end. Await is only valid in async function top model. Okay, we have some issue here. Okay, because of this. Okay, Let me refresh the page. Server responded question method not allowed. Okay, I have opened this in live server. I think that's fine. Why this is giving me course? Okay, let me install a course as well. npm I course, that much const require course. I think this should work now. Hell of a ride. Okay, okay, this is working. Something is wrong because ID doesn't exist. Okay, this is the thing. We need to provide here, let me close this. So we need to provide here a ID. So response dot ID. Sorry. Let me log this. Order data and I need ID. So we have, okay, so it got opened. We have provided things, right? Okay, so I have provided the phone number and email for test. Let's proceed. You can choose anything. I'll choose card. So card number is 41111111. Okay, expiry date 12/22 something, May 123, and pay. So I got this. So this is the thing. One time password. What is payment successful? Yeah. So you see that payment is successful. What we are getting here is payment ID first, then order ID, then signature something. So yeah, this is how it works. I know it's bare minimum basics, but yeah, this is how the main thing works. First, let me go through one more time what we did. So first we this payment, then we created an instance, then order amount, then rs we send the response. That's it from the backend side. Is pretty smooth from backend. Frontend is something, so we need this script, right? So don't forget to insert this script. We took this button and we took a and on event on click we are doing the things. So we first call to our backend for the response, that slash payment route, so this will create the payment. After that we are passing the options, and yeah, so Razorpay, then these things open. That's it, this simple as hell. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I will catch you in the next one.